Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. It's working. It's working. It's working. So that's how the mirror is. Let's see what I can do. Let's see if there is something I can do. Poor baby. Shitbox already got the first hit. A guy came over the lane with a big truck, bright zone, hit my car and run. Right here I came in.
Estamos de vuelta en STX 2000 Glass para arreglar mi retrovisor. Uno más, pero mira, take a look, guys. I already fixed this part. You see, it look good, right? Island Vibe fix. Y ahora mi amigo se quiere hacer un molde para el mirror, espejo. Yeah, we're gonna make a mold for the mirror and we're gonna fix it. My shitbox, cajita de mierda. ¿Te gusta el nombre, no? Cajita de mierda. So the name of my car is Shitbox, and I love Shitbox actually. I found a big oil leak, and we're gonna need to fix it. But that's it. Shipping container in the Caribbean with storm, DIY, do yourself, tiny home in the Caribbean. Learn with us. Subscribe. And then, ta-da, ta-da. And he fixed it's adjusting again. So everything is working. Island Vibe fixed by Andrew and STX 2000 Glass. And I will make the windows here. The windows are really good. It's amazing. Everything working. Guess what? Shitbox is official. Plate. It's titled, registered, all done. Boom. Bear mode on. It's safe. It's under my name now. And we'll have no problems. Now I need a boost. Jesus Christ. So in summary, you can buy a local car, but you need to understand that it will be most likely an island car, which means a car that had an accident, went into auction and cannot be insured again. Or you can buy a brand new car at a dealer in St. Croix or St. Thomas. You have Toyota, Ford. Toyotas last longer. Fords, you have more parts. But they will be a little bit more expensive, even not having tax. They need to be transported and all that stuff. And the demand for new cars are high compared to how many cars they have locally. So you're gonna pay a little bit more. And as soon as you start driving, you're gonna have problems and hit something or smash your side mirror like I did. So just buy what I call shitbox, island car. Like, it will make you happy. Just make sure it's safe, it's not dripping oil, it has brakes and insurance, at least to pay the other people when you hit, and liability and all that stuff. It's mandatory. Go to the BMV, that is Bureau of Motor Vehicles. Register. It takes 1 or 2 days depending if you have all the documentation. Make sure you have a bill of sale, you have the title signed by the seller and you notarized. They have notaries everywhere. You're gonna need his ID and your ID, and you need to fill in some forms that they will give you. Run the inspection, they give you the plate right away. I'm happy with my Ford Escape. It's big, it does the work. I have a lot of things to do, like oil leak. I need to refix that mirror, but now it's working. Even the movement guys from the STX 2000 Glass are amazing. They always save my ass. Make sure you don't have too much rust in your car. Make sure that the person selling you the car has all the documentation. Run a VIN check on the internet. If it's rebuilt, you will not be able to insure, like I told you. See if there is anything weird, especially like robbery, if the car was stolen or something like that. Get ready to probably fix something, hit something, get some rust. Here the cars are what I never liked in a car. It's something to move from A to B. if you try something like too low, you're gonna hit the ground, you're gonna have leaks, oil leaks from your oil pot. So make it simple for you, don't suffer too much, just make sure that you are safe and you will not spend more money with fixes than what you pay for the car itself, okay? Take care. Look at this chunky baby. Oh yeah, everything working fine, no big deal at all. Hell yeah. So after all that drama with the car, remember the mirror on the left was broken? Guess what? I found the part that was missing and that's the final result. Oh, I'm sorry. The beach is blinding us. That's it. Brand new. I fixed everything. All done. All right. Just like the other one. It's completely fixed. I think her name will be Tao. But I fixed everything. That's it. Island vibe with a touch of a little bit more effort into it. Done. Our car is fixed. Stay with this view, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to send messages and learn everything about tiny homes in the Caribbean.